Hello and welcome to Goa 365's News Bulletin with me, Zamila Pacheco. Indian Judiciary, the most powerful in the world, asserts a former High Court Chief Justice. The controversial Sunburn Festival, held annually in Kandolim, helps business and should be organized under strict vigilance, states Kalangut MLA Agnello Fernandez. And an international convention of Alcoholics Anonymous held in Goa calls upon people to quit alcohol consumption before it is too late. Now the news in detail. The Indian judiciary is arguably the most powerful in the world as it has jurisdiction not only over executive action but also over legislature, said Justice A P Shah, former Chief Justice of Delhi High Court and Madras High Court, at a two-day seminar organized by the International Centre Goa and Friedrich Ebert Foundation, India, in association with the Goa High Court Bar Association. The seminar was titled Strengthening Democracy, Role of Judiciary.
The dignitaries present at the seminar were retired Chief Justice of Delhi High Court, Justice A P Shah, Honorable Speaker Pratap Singh Rane, Nandini Sahai, Director International Centre Goa, Rajeshwar Dyal, Senior Advisor FES India and Trustee MICCI, Colin Curry, who lighted the traditional lamp to mark the inaugural session. Nandini Sahai in her welcome address said that the judiciary in India must set an example with leadership and that a nation fails because of an increase in decision makers with small minds. She also said that law must be convergent with justice. Speaking on the occasion, Speaker of the Goa Legislative Assembly told us that the executive, the legislature and the judiciary were the three important pillars of democracy, with media being the fourth one.
How will we help the country grow faster? The executive, the legislative and the judiciary are the three important pillars of our democracy, and the fourth pillar, of course, is the fourth state. It will be the duty of all of us to see that the goals enshrined in our Constitution are achieved.
Justice A P Shah in his keynote address stated that the Supreme Court and High Courts have jurisdiction not only over executive action but also over legislation. He also quoted the words of Justice P. N. Bhagwati that the court is always on the qui-vive for the protection and enforcement.
Today, the Indian judiciary is arguably the most powerful judiciary in the world. The superior courts, that is the Supreme Court and the High Courts, not only have jurisdiction over executive action but also over legislation, and this has been extended even to review the validity of constitutional amendment thanks to the controversial decision in Keshavananda Bharati. The Indian Supreme Court has been the protector of citizens' liberty and has shown active concern about the human rights of the Indian people. And if we quote the words of Justice P. N. Bhagwati, that the court is always on the qui-vive for their protection and enforcement.
The annual Sunburn Party held in Kandolim, which has run into drugs controversy, should be organized under strict police vigilance as it helps tourism business, stated the Kalangut MLA. Last year, the Sunburn Party saw a drug-related death after a Bangalore-based girl died of an alleged overdose of drugs.